One of the most popular things to do in Antigua is zipline through the Rainforest Canopy. We are at the Rainforest Canopy tour. We're ziplining over the jungle.
He made me do it.
It's over 100 feet high, they're like 150 feet long.
So that's going to be quite terrifying. Or exciting, I don't know. Let's go and find out.
Let's have a look.
I just want to give you a warm welcome to Antigua Rainforest Canopy Tour, and I'm Ranger Hark, the only bird that flies in the forest without wings. Alrighty guys, you may learn to fly like me today. That's right. Alongside me is my JJ. He's going to be my assistant today. Alrighty guys, we the rangers around here, we do all the clippings. Once you hook you up, guys are going to hook you up. You're just here to sit back, relax, have a good time, scream your heads off. If that became difficult for any one of you, you just shout fire, help, or rescue. And we the rangers are going to get on the radios, call the photographers so they can come and do a video.
Just so glad I
Why has this helmet got blood all over it?
Stop it!
That's our peak, man. Our peak.
For a helmet?
Nice.
Not that I'm going to need it.
Yeah, man, we get you a smaller one.
Just in case.
Oh, I like that. Small head. I can't get out of it.
That.
Okay guys, we're on our way to the first platform.
Bouncing.
Are you bouncing on
Yeah, of
purpose?
course I am. It's the natural rhythm.
Oh, I've got a big rope.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how high is it?
Oh, this one is like 75 feet. The line approximately 60 feet long.
So, and there's no more to talk about?
No, man.
Then maybe just have a chat?
Yeah, we can do have a chat.
To be honest, we don't have to do this.
Yeah, buddy.
Left leg. Left leg?
No, that left leg down there.
Oh, right, okay. Take his knee out.
Yeah, that's
Go for
right.
the knee. Okay.
Go ahead.
Right.
Yep, there you go. Too easy. Like taking a candy from a baby.
Is he ready?
He is ready.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Born ready.
Aha.
Oh, shit.
Tell them we were back. To the full 360 and recover. You have done 4 zip lines.
4. Amazing.
We're pros now.
Yeah, we got this.
We're taking it higher. Something fall.
Okay, are you scared of that? Yeah, a little bit, yeah. No, actually a lot. It's fine. We've done this. We've done 4 of these.
This looks a little bit more serious, Hawk.
Oh yes, it is. We are deep down in the bushes now, buddy.
I can see that.
About how long is
About
this?
290 feet.
290 feet. And
One
Sam
end.
Dyson is going to show us how to do it.
That's right. You're doing about 125. Watch them glove. It's smoking.
125 what?
Miles per hour. Just play.
Oh my god, just play. Just play.
Remember to go to the edge and then step away.
Okay.
Ready?
Well, I'm not sure where I am actually. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wait, it's bouncing.
Just bounce, 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 bounce.
Let's do the bar and not do this.
I'm in. You come this far, not to turn back now, yeah?
It's surprisingly actually okay. I was a bit scared at the beginning. I can't do it. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Shadow! Okay guys, welcome to our highest and longest line. It's called the screamer. This is what makes big guys scream like babies. It's about 325 feet long, approximately 350 feet off the ground. Let's go, Sam!
Let's do this. Here goes nothing. Here I go. 325 miles an hour.
That's...
Or feet. Or...
We are very scared. We don't want to do it, but we can't actually turn around. So we have to do it.
And the man have been showing up here. Oh, yeah. Ocean fire.
Just drop here. Can't wait. Push him up. zip lines, which was really good fun. It was also very terrifying. But we had JJ and Hawk, which they were so friendly and they gave us loads of advice. They made us feel really comfortable, which made the whole thing a great experience. So we highly recommend it.
The most difficult bit is the first step off the ledge. Once you're doing it, you've kind of got no choice. But yeah, it's very exciting. It's very fast. It's very high.
Would I do it again? I think I probably would. Yeah.